Hey boys, it's Onco. I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 today. Here we go. So you'll want to go to rufus.ie and download that. You can save it anywhere. Alright, so I saved that in my favorite folder, and you'll just want to open that and hit yes on the UAC. Alright, so you should see in the box your USB. If you don't see it, restart the application after plugging in your USB. Everything on the USB will be destroyed, so keep that in mind. And now you want to find your ISO that you downloaded earlier and select it in the box. So Rufus should have already filled in the boxes of partition scheme and target system. If not, comment down below and I can help you out, but it should be filled already. So once you have all that filled in, just hit start and it'll take a while, so you're gonna have to wait a bit. Oh, and hit OK on that box. Okay, it's done. Right, so for this next part I can't really give you a true tutorial. You'll have to find which function key to hit on your motherboard to find the boot list and select the USB drive. So just do that, and once you're done, meet me back here. So now you're in the installer and you'll just want to hit next and install now. Alrighty boys, so now here's your big choice. You gotta pick between the normal one and the one with N. So the difference is that the normal one comes with like media player and a whole bunch of media stuff, and the N one comes without all that. So I prefer N, so I'm gonna use that. Accept the terms if you want. So hit custom install. Right, so in this menu you should either have just like a bunch of unallocated space. If you don't, you'll want to delete all of them until you just get unallocated space, and then start a new drive and then hit next. And now we wait. Hey, it's here. Alright, so you'll probably want to start off by muting the girl who talks, and then select the keyboard layout. Right, so if you want to, for some godforsaken reason, sign in with a Microsoft account, do that, just follow the steps it says, but I haven't done that in a long time. So we're gonna domain join instead, and I'm gonna type my name in as Onco. So hit no on activity history, and then uncheck everything on this next screen. Right, so I can't really guide you with the next part because it depends on your hardware. You're going to want to install a browser, install your drivers for your GPU, all your other stuff. So meet me back here once you've done that. So now we're going to get rid of some of the annoying parts of Windows 10 with the tool called WinArrow Tweaker. So download that link in the description and we'll get started. So now you'll want to hit I accept and then start disabling all the things that are on screen right now. Alright boys, so the last part I'm going to show you how to do is how to activate Windows with KMS Auto. Keep in mind that you do this at your own risk. Anyways, you can find the link in the description. It's on GitHub. So you will need 7-zip to unzip the archive, so grab that. So now you'll want to run the .bat file that dropped, and then you'll want to press 1 and then let it do its thing. And now you got Windows 10 LTSC. See you later.